Hello, I'm Chef Jennifer Booker, the owner and executive chef of Your Resident Gourmet. Today, I'm going to show you how to make chicken egg foo young. This is what you'll need: oil, fresh ground black pepper, salt, leftover chicken. You could also use pork or beef. I like to use a little shredded broccoli, cabbage, and carrots, celery and onion, mushrooms, green onion, my eggs, and then of course I need my egg foo young sauce, which is a mixture of chicken broth, soy sauce, little sesame oil, and a little cornstarch. So let's start by heating our pan and adding a little bit of oil. While our pan is heating, I simply scramble up all of my eggs. And the great thing about this recipe is you can add as much or as little as each ingredient that you like. So I had some leftover chicken, and that's what I'll use. You could also use leftover steak or roast pork if you like. A little bit of our shredded vegetable, some celery and green onion. I like mushrooms, so we'll throw those in as well. A little bit of green onion and some fresh ground black pepper and salt. Not too much salt because we are using soy sauce. Once our pan is hot, we'll go ahead and add our mixture of our egg foo young sauce and heat it through. Then we'll simply fold in our chicken and all of our vegetables into our egg and add it to our egg foo young sauce. Now we'll just stir it up, very similar to making scrambled eggs. That smells delicious. If you like spicy food, you could add a little bit of chili pepper or sriracha, one of my favorites. And serve this by itself with steamed vegetables or even a little bit of steamed brown rice. And this is how you make chicken egg foo young.